Alrighty.
Take both of ours.
Both of ours? Alright, well, first, I'm doing this little video thing. So, let's see if I can.
What are we saying?
Oh, I don't know. Just say hi.
Yeah.
We are in love.
It's been a tough couple of weeks, but here we are.
Oh, my hat.
Oh no! Huggy, my hat. His head almost went overboard. Who's going on? Not me.
Yeah, okay, well, I guess my dad did for a fishing pole.
And a ski.
And a ski, yeah.
But yeah, it's been a couple of weeks, tough weeks, but we're on the mend only because here we are on the water, relaxing, still in like, still in lust, still in love.
In the Petroleum Jellyfish. And there she is.
There she is.
In all her glory. The Petroleum Jellyfish.